business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, information technology, or if you need help in Cengage course, Pearson course, or if you need help in Excel assignment, PowerPoint assignments, Assess assignments, or Word assignments, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So we will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name. Exp22 Excel App Capstone Intro Collection. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. And that's our Excel file. That's our first step. Our second step is your first task is to move the title to the top of the worksheet. On the Christian worksheet, we will go to the Christian worksheet, that is our Christian worksheet. Move the Renault Art collection from cell A7 to A1. So we will select cell A7, move this one to the cell A1. We have moved our cell A1 A7 to A1. That's our second step. Our third step is to balance the space, you will merge the cell containing the title with empty cells and change the vertical alignment. Select the cell A5 to A1 to A5 and merge the cells. We need to select A1 to A1 to A5. We need to merge this one. Just here you will select the merge, or you will go here in the merge and center and apply middle alignment vertical. Apply middle align vertical alignment. So we will go here, we will select middle align vertical alignment. So we have applied our middle align vertical alignment to cell A1. That's our third step. Our fourth step is you want to format to some input cells in the column K to be similar to other input cell. Change the width of column K to 17. We need to change the width of column K to 17. That is our column K. You will go to the column width and make it as a 17. Press OK. Select the range K1 to K3 and apply a thick border outside. We need to select K1 to K3. That is our cell K1 to K3. We will go to the home and then we will go to the borders. We will apply thick borders outside. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is click cell C11 and freeze pane so that row 1 through row 10 and column A and B are frozen. So we will select the cell C11. That is our cell C11. We will go to the view tab. In the freeze panes we will select top one freeze pane. So you see we have freezes the A1 to A10, row 1 to row 10 and column A and B. When you move this one, column A and B will not move. When you go downside up to row 10, it will not move because they are freeze now. And that's our column 5, step 5. Our step 6 is select the range E11 to E59 and apply March 12 date format. So we will select E11 to E59. We will press Ctrl plus 1. So we will get date format. We need to apply date format as a March 12. That is our March 12 date format. We press OK. So we have applied our March 12 date format to E11 to E59. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is Your next task is to replace a word with a more accurate word. Find all the occurrence retired and replace it with sold out. We will copy this retired. We will go here. We will select it here. We will just press Ctrl plus F, or you will go to the Home tab, and here you will select Find and Replace. Here you will put Find what retired and copy that one sold out. Paste this one and make it replace all. So we have made 38 replacement. Okay, this one, and close this. That's our 7th step. Our 8th step is a range contain misspelled word that need to detected and corrected. Select the range C1 to G5. We need to select C1 to, that is our range C1 to G5. G5. Check the spelling and correct the spelling. You need, for checking spelling, you will go to the, just press F7. Here you got the misspelled word. You will change this one by one. So we have made 2 replacement and we are good to go. That's our 8th step. Our 9th step is in the cell A9, A6, insert the today function. We will go to the cell A6, that is our cell A6. We will put is equal to today, start bracket, close bracket, press enter. So we got the today date. You see here we get 292024, and here we have also 2 February 2024. That's our 9th step. So in this way we have completed our 9th step in this assignment. We have total 35 steps total. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know about the remaining steps, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me you can just comment on this video, so I will reply you soon. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.